Step inside this Upper East Side penthouse. Located at 201 East 69th Street, apartment Penthouse D is a unique duplex home with 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and a large private terrace. The living area has ample space with enough room for a full dining and living setup. The kitchen has been newly renovated to feature an open design with a breakfast bar, new appliances, and premium finishes. In the foyer, you'll find the renovated first bathroom, more closet space, and in-home laundry. By the entryway, there's a walk-in closet. A beautiful spiral staircase leads up to the upper-level bedroom, which includes great space, a dressing area with excellent closet space, and access to outside. A rare find is this large roof terrace with bright southern exposure and flexibility for how to set it up. What do you think of this home? Learn more by going to tfc.com.